Hey friends, every year I make a Christmas card that doubles as an ornament, and this year I'm going to up the game with my Phomemo TO2 inkless mini thermal printer. This thing is so awesome and so easy to use, and it makes a terrific gift. But like I said, I'm going to up the game with my yearly Christmas card ornament. There are lots of different colors of thermal paper you can use and thermal sticker paper, and you'll see in a minute you can also print in color on clear sticker paper. So many options. The first thing you need to do is charge it and then download the Phomemo app from the App Store. Easy peasy. Believe it or not, now you're ready to print. Just hit Print Images, then Photo Editing, and pick out your image. I think this photo is going to be perfect on the back of our Christmas cards. To change the paper, just press the button here on top and switch out the rolls. This light blue thermal paper has a vintage Christmas feel to it. I love it. I also like the look of this green paper. And here, I'm printing in hot pink on clear sticker tape. Now that I have my stickers ready to go, let's make the ornament. You'll need 5 3" by 3" paper squares per ornament. Pick some fun Christmas colors or use old book pages. I like both. Fold a square on the diagonal, then fold in the opposite direction to make an X on the paper. Now push in the sides to make a triangle as shown. With the triangle flat, fold it to make a crease as a guideline. Working on only one side, fold up the top 2 corners to meet in the middle at the guideline. Use a bone folder to get everything nice and flat. You'll need 5 of these. Cut or punch some large cardstock circles. Using white school glue, glue one of the folded pieces to the circle, trying to get the point in the center of the circle. Add a little glue to the side of the first triangle and glue down the second, overlapping the edges but not all the way. Continue adding the 5 pieces to the circle. Once they're dry, add a rhinestone to the center with Aleene's tacky glue. It's really good stuff, super strong. Then put some pressure on them while they dry. Now I'm going to punch out my Phomemo stickers and add them to the backs of the ornaments. I'm also cutting out our Merry Christmas sticker for the back of the envelope. Punch a hole in the ornament, add some string for hanging, and then send them off to your friends and family. Here's what they look like on the tree. I cannot wait for my friends to get them, and I really love my little Phomemo thermal printer. I think you will too. I'll leave a link for it in the description. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want inspiration that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.